saying. He's working here on my side. Hello everyone. He's working with Aon Hewitt as a network engineer. So for first 2 days he'll be taking the classes. So let's begin the session with the overview of computer networking and the IP addressing. Over to you, Mukesh.
Hi everybody, ma'am and sir. Very good afternoon to you. So I will be start with very basic. What is computer networks? All of you must heard about computer networks. I hope all of them. So we will be starting with what is computer networks. So anyone have any idea about computer networks? From backside, any idea?
It is a process or mechanism through which we can connect two or more into computing devices. All the special purpose of processing and data set.
Somewhere you are correct. Computer network is
Connecting two or more systems.
not only the data, so many things in the network and resource sharing, we can say. So here is the main direction. So basically, what is a computer network? It is a network of two or more devices sharing some common resources, applications through some medium. This is a very common definition of computer network. So why we need a computer network? What is the basic idea behind a computer network? Basically, when we have more than two persons, they need to share some data, some applications. So there is a need of computer network. So in a computer network, we can share printer, applications, data. Basic need, why we need this? I will give you an example. Like I am working in some company, some XYZ company, and there is some data, there is some files on which I can say 10 users have to update at the same time. So if they are not connected in a network, is it possible to everybody update at the same time and save the same file? And one make the change and other can see that. Is this possible without a network? No. So that is why we need a network. That is why we created a network. So this is the basic idea. Like we can share our applications, our data, mainly data and applications. So we have different type of computer networks. First, I will start with LAN. All of you must heard about that LAN, local area network. So this is a small type of network. It can be a school network, a hospital network, a college network. So within a premises, number of users are limited and bandwidth within the network is limited. So this is the one type of network. We have another type of network, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Like suppose I have one branch of NITTT in Chandigarh and one other in another sector 30, any other sector, but within Chandigarh. So what I need, I want that there is a communication between this center and that center through some mechanism. So Metropolitan Area Network is bigger than a LAN area, but it is, you can say it is within a city. Another third type of network is wide area network. It is across the world. It can be like within a city, it can be a different city, a different country. Like I have my one branch NITTT in Chandigarh and another in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai. So I want to connect there. This called a wide area network. These are the three types of network. It's just a overview about the types. So now, what are the devices that we use in our computer network? We had different type of devices. Like I will start with, we have first routers. Is this visible to all at the back side? Where's the mic? Remote centers, is whiteboard is visible to us.
This is the title of it. Okay. This is the actual screen.
No, actually, I want to ask that.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, now it is a little bit visible.
Is it visible?
Not very clear.
Not very
No, sir,
clear.
not very clear. Yes, yes.
Okay, just hold on for a second. We are zooming this out.
And one request is that, sir, please say, keep distance from the camera because it's. Yes, yes. Now it's comfortable.
It's good.
Yes, yes. ठीक है बच्चों.
Okay, now I hope whiteboard is clear to you. Okay, so we have different type of devices in our network. First one is router. We have switch. Plus, we can say bridge. We have firewall. At the back side, is this visible? Okay. So I will give you a basic idea about these. There are so many devices, many more, but I will give you a basic idea about these router and switch because basically are concerned on the routing and switching. So what is a router? Anybody have any idea about a router? Heard about a router?
This is third layer device.
Okay, it's a third layer device.
It's quite the shortest path between sender and receiver.
That is also correct. Any other idea? The basic things are router is a network. Two or more different network. So our router do a basic thing, basic task of connecting two or more. It provides us the shortest and the best. And router has it on, like our CPU has it on a RAM. And ROM, it's and ROM and all the things. So it is a very basic. We will go in depth, but later on. We have switch, we have bridge. We also have one device mode hub. But in corporate centers, no longer in use. So I will tell you first about the hub. Hub. What is a hub? Hub is a device which connects within a network. Within a network, you can, if in my network I have printers, servers, and so many things. So within a hub, but in listen and forward the packet. Like if I have a network. Like this is my network, this is my hub somewhere here. Connecting PC to it. So it don't have any kind of memory where it can store the MAC address and all related info. It just listen like I'm here. I want to communicate with this guy. So I just simply send some information and it simply forward. But what it do? It does not simply forward to that particular guy. Like this PC. This PC want some communication with this. So it will send some kind of packets to this hub. This hub don't know where this PC is. So what he will do? He will deliver packet to all of the connected device. Like I want to communicate with PC too, but he will deliver to all. So there is a broadcast in hub. That's a problem because if he sends a packet to all of the PCs, it will consume some bandwidth. Somewhere it will consume some bandwidth, and there is a chances of collision. So somewhere out hub replaced by bridge. So this is all about hub. After that we come with bridge. In bridge, what bridge have? Bridge have multiple collision domain. It has its memory where it can store the MAC address of devices connected to the bridge. So now it is easier to bridge to send the traffic to a particular person to whom a person wants to send the data. Like in my area, I want to send my telegram to one of my friends who is living in sector 34. So if postman knows in the post office, I have written the address, but if postman knows where is that sector 34, where is that particular address, he can go and directly deliver the letter. But if he is a known person, there will be a problem too. Like I said, bridge store, but he stored a MAC address. All the devices have its own MAC address. So he stored a MAC address and delivered the data to a particular destination. And in bridge there is a multiple collision domain, and it is sufficient, but not up to that level. Because if number of person increase in our network, now another device comes that is called switch. Which did it's overcome all the problems of collision domain. In switch is a full duplex. Full duplex means in a switch, if a person connected to a single port, it can same time it can send the data, same time it can in the switch. There is an IC card installed in the switch. One wonderful feature in the switch virtual LANs. In a particular switch, we can create our small virtual LANs. Like I'm running a company. I have a switch of for 100 ports, and I have different of departments. Like I have IT department, I have finance, I have accounts. But I know that I have to deal with different of services to each of the department. So what I will do, I will create virtual LAN. Within my LAN, I will create virtual LAN with the help of switch. So this is the facility which I can get. So I will give little amount of firewall. But firewall is basically what is a security device. It provides the security to our network, and it is a stateful device. Stateful means whatever going out, going in through this switch has an eye on it. So I know about switch. Firewall. So now I will go ahead and proceed with very basic and very essential thing of computer networking, and that is IP address. Without IP address, networking is quite difficult. Multiple collision domain, it's like this is a hub. It has like 4 ports. So now with this port, different of devices, different devices connected here. Like I have 40 in my lab. In my lab, I have 40 people. I have put a bridge there and divided them in 4 segments. 10 people to this, 10 people to this, 10 people to this, 10 people to this. So they have all different collision domains. Collision is basically what? Like in hub, but in hub there is no any memory. And like this is a, consider this is a hub. And there are like suppose they are all connected to this. If this person wants to send the data and this also this, if 5 persons want to send the data as a single time, they will send and there will be a collision. Like the data will collide. So data will be corrupted. So this is the collision.
So what are gateways?
Gateways are nothing. They are the older name of router.
Yes.
No, it's the older name of router. Initially, our router was known as IMPS, IMS, something like that. I don't remember properly. After that, router. And believe me, router is a very wonderful device because initially router was developed. After that, firewall, load balancer, and all the things come out. Just allow me remote center. I will be back within. Just allow me a moment.
Initial